How to enable full screen charts on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using the Binance app and want to view charts in full screen mode, firstly open the Binance application and sign into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen, and then from the Markets tab, select the cryptocurrency trading pair you want to view. I'm just going to click on this Ethereum USDT trading pair. Once you are inside this chart section, go ahead and tap on this little waffle menu on the right. And once you see this page, click on the little full screen icon over here. And once you tap on that, you'll be able to view the full screen mode. So that's how you do it. Now you can analyze the market more comfortably with a larger and more detailed chart view. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.